In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default home screen in HubSpot, whether you're looking to customize your interface to better suit your workflow or just streamline your daily tasks. Adjusting your default home screen is a helpful tweak that can improve your productivity. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident in making this change. First, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot's homepage. This is where you'll initiate the process. Open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com to reach the HubSpot homepage. If you're already familiar with this site, you'll recognize it as the entry point for accessing all of HubSpot's various tools and features. Next, you'll need to log into your HubSpot account. Look for the login button on the top right corner of the homepage. Click it and it will guide you to the login page where you should enter your account credentials. This step is crucial because you need access to your personal HubSpot account settings to continue. Once you've entered your username and password, click the login button once more to proceed. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to your HubSpot home. At this point, you're in the central hub where all your activities, tasks, and campaign information are accessible. This is a good moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already done so, as a better understanding of the interface will aid you in customizing it later. Now that you're on the HubSpot home screen, direct your attention to the settings. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice a gear icon which represents the settings menu. Click on this icon to reveal various customizable options within your account. The settings menu is a powerful tool allowing you to tailor many aspects of your HubSpot experience. Within the settings, look for the option labeled Pick a Default Home Page. This is your key to customizing your hub. Clicking this will allow you to choose which page you'd like to set as your default home screen when you first log into HubSpot. Here you can select from options like Dashboard, Contacts, Sales, or any other feature you access frequently. Take a moment to decide which will be most beneficial for your daily needs. Once you've chosen your new default home screen, confirm your selection. This change will take immediate effect, simplifying your routine by bringing the most relevant information directly to you whenever you log in. Congratulations, you've successfully changed your default home screen in HubSpot. By following these steps, you've now optimized your HubSpot experience to better fit your unique workflow, ensuring that everything you need is right at your fingertips upon logging in. Remember, you can always change it again if your needs evolve. Thank you for watching, and happy HubSpotting.